everybody, it's Rosemary, and this is Tripping with Skipper. We are in the Carson National Forest, just north of Taos, New Mexico. We found a nice, sweet spot. We'll be here for another week, and lots happened since the last time I posted. Let's see. We've been in Santa Fe, Taos area, been camping around, having a good time. I'll show you some of those spots. Little highlights. And my refrigerator went out again about 10 miles from my friend Ron and Rachel's house, and which was fortunate because Ron is a jack of all trades. He's got a lot of skills, as does his wife Rachel, who's an artist and a fantastic cook. So I stayed longer than I had planned with them, but Ron helped me put in a residential refrigerator, which I'll show you later. And it's running off my solar system, off the battery, and mostly has been great. Been boondocking for about 6 days now, and it's been great. The last couple of days, it's been rainy. So last night I got an overcharge. I mean, a low voltage error message. So I turned everything off, and this morning when the sun came up, I turned everything back on and it was fine. So cloudy days are a little challenging, but the refrigerator holds the cold and the freezer holds the cold really well, up to 4 or 5 hours. So I'm able to handle that. What else has happened? Skipper's doing really good. He's really loving being free. He can run out around in the forest here, and we've been playing ball. And yesterday, the day before yesterday, we took a nice hike, found some cool rock outcroppings, and about 5 minutes from here is the best cherry pie I've ever had. So it's a little restaurant called Chili Inn, I think. It's in the middle of it's really like there's nothing else around, but so I've been eating pie. It's pie day. All right, well, I'm going to show you some highlights of northern New Mexico. Beautiful, just beautiful. My heart's so open. And went to Ghost Ranch, of course. George O'Keeffe's place. That was inspirational. Stay tuned for some highlights. Our campsite. That's the path to the little river. You can hear it, I think. Just gorgeous here. On these spots here, like that came off my friend's couch. And We're going to put a bracket. We're actually going to, the refrigerator comes very close to this height. We're going to spray that gap filler foam in there, and that's going to help keep that stable. We're going to put a bracket here, a wood bracket there, for keeping it from coming out sliding this way. In the back, we've put this, we've leveled out that area. We'll screw it down there. Going to have to shim it and then screw it down there. And on the sides, in here we're going to put this foam insulation that came with a food box, a vegetable box, and get it as much in there as we can to compress. And then at the bottom, the plan is to spray that foam around the front part, around the back part, the side, some of the sides here, and then up around actually here, where at that lip. So that's the plan. We'll see what we do. This is the foam from the couch. I'm going to cut it in half, put one side on one side and this on the other side. So we got it in there. That's a 7.2 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. It's got a lot more room than my original. I put this came to hold the shelves in place, and I just modified it so I could move that shelf down. Hopefully that'll help hold the shelf in. And you can see the foam. And then I filled in the foam with, I don't know if you can see that, with that spray foam stuff. Did some down here, did some over here, and did some in there. And you can see it's already expanded and filled in those spots between the soft foam. We did a foam thing on the top as well, and that thing is so steady. And we did screws in the back and anchored it here with a piece of wood. And I also put this piece of a moving blanket down here to kind of muffle, make it more, so it doesn't rattle. So now all I have to do is put some door closure on there, to keep it from flying open, and then I'm going to trim it, make it look nice. Okay, that's it, folks. You're all caught up. We're heading up to Colorado in another week or so. So stay tuned. We'll be back.